Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix the error message repairing disk errors, then let's look at the following solutions. So the first solution would be is to remove the peripheral devices, the devices that are connected to your system. That could be your printer, your hard disk or your mouse, any third party device. And the reason is they push these drivers of their own companies into the system for them to function properly. And what happens is sometimes these drivers are corrupted and cause such error messages to occur. So now once you have disconnected the devices and reconnected them and the error message still persists, so the next option is to rebuild the BCD. So how we can do that is we need to look for command prompt, right click, run as administrator, and input the command REBUI sorry BOOTREC space slash REBUILD So once again BOOTREC space slash REBUILD and press enter.